everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at my allotment again, and as you can see I've got all this where my old polytunnel was clear, but I've got to make this space wider because I've got a 3 metre wide one going here, and I'm going to need the space, so I've got to dig up half of these beds, move them over a bit, and hopefully we'll get there. A few of you's been asking what's been going on down at my allotment. Did any of my bulbs come through? I see them start poking through now. My roses are still okay. I've just got to take off the dead bits off the tops. This is my one of my magnolias, still doing okay, starting to bud. Got a rose bush there. These are the snowdrops have come through and started flowering. I don't know why they've come through and started flowering already. Got some daffodils coming through now. Got some daffodils all coming through, and you can see little things starting to poke through. This is another one of my roses. This bush is a mint, so I just left that in. It was here when I came, so I left it. You can see some of the tulips and that have started to come through. These are my garlic, white Cristo I think they're called. So they're doing quite well. The elephant garlic, as you can see, nothing. Can see one or two little spikes in different places, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to wait and see if they're actual garlic. If I don't get nothing through, then I'll just row that up and put potatoes on either side. This is a rhododendron. Then I've got all my beds and everything ready for the season. This is another magnolia which is doing okay. Mine I'm tripping over, I have to be careful because I'm not 100%. This one, well, I put a lot in there, but I can't see nothing at the moment, so all my beds have got manure on top and all ready for planting. I just got this bed here to finish off. Now once the polytunnel's up and everything, I'm gonna try and start on the compost area. I've got this, I'm gonna build it up with try and square it off and then build it up with the scaffolding. I think this one here, and I don't know if there's any in there, but I know these two are ready to use. This is where I've been dumping all my stuff since I've got the allotment, so that's going to be a while to rot down. But I'll most probably mix that Once I start taking that out, I'll mix it with some new compost and manure, and then use it for my potatoes and that. And then I've still got this rubbish here. This was a tree what wasn't meant to be here, and they still haven't moved it. And I've got this pile and that pile over the back because it was two trees, as you can see. Then I've got this bit here as well, which was a bonus bit. What was no one wanted to work it up. It was filled with brambles, and took our time and got everything out, and then used it for planting my pumpkins and that. So this year I want to bring it back a bit more, so using all of that, but I've got to do that. So that's what's happening down here right now. So right now, just going to make a start on this bed up here. I've still got some purple sprouting broccoli in, but they're a bit on the small side. I'm going to be pulling these out and putting some new ones in. Because what I think I might end up doing is just starting everything over again once I've got the polytunnel. Just starting everything over again from the beginning, so you can go along with me as we make progress. So that's what's happening for now. So I'm going to make a start on this. We're going to make a start on this, and then I'll be back with you once we've made some headway on it. Right everybody, so I've nearly done this one, so I just needed to dig up half of it so we've got access, because I think the holes are coming somewhere along this line here, so just giving them a bit of space to work. Then once they've done it, then I'll see how wide it is, and then I can reduce that down or cut a piece off of that and then make it smaller. So we'll see how it goes. We've nearly got this one cleared as well. So once I've got this one I don't think I need to dig this one down that much, but I'll see, because I know when we got the allotment, the reason why I put the weed membrane down and everything in this one is because something's underneath it what couldn't be dug, so I don't know what they put down there, so that's why it's like that. But this one, you can see the dirt what's in there is a mixture of the allotment compost what we buy from the shop, and manure and everything went down last year, so that's why you're seeing the lumps. And then I put another layer of manure on top, so that's why it looks all nice. So hopefully once it's done and settled back down, and I can put all the beds and everything back in place. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell your friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, you can leave comments in the comments section. I do get back to you on them. So we're in our garden season now, so hopefully videos will be coming out Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. It might be Mondays and Fridays until when we fully get into the gardening season, but we'll see how it goes. So tell all your friends to watch the channel, just click on the subscribe button and the notification button, so when we do our videos you get them straight away. So I'm going to carry on with this and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so this one I don't have to go down so deep, so I can just leave it like that because it's only for them to drill the holes to anchor the polytunnel. So that's what I've done for today. Really tired now because I'm still not 100%. As soon as I start doing anything I'm just more or less out of breath, but getting this slowly and surely. So please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell another friend, leave your comment in the comment section. We're just a channel that is for everybody. We're learning as we go along. I've got some pumpkin seeds and some sugarcane seeds at the moment, so if any of you need any of those you can reach out to me and I'll send you my email so I can get them to you. As the season goes on I get bits and pieces, so I'll pass on a lot of things, so just keep up with the channel and I'll let you know if I get anything in surplus, then you can reach out to me and I can get them over to you. So thanks for watching and you take care, and I'll see you all on the next one.